Hey, hi guys, welcome to YouTube. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a dropping animation in Blender. So in this animation we'll be making sure like this object is dropping on this box or maybe some kind of container. So it's quite easy to create this animation. We'll be doing it by using some plugin. So plugin name is called Physics Drop. Link it's available in description. So download from there, and once you downloaded it, click on the edit, go to the preferences. Once you click on the preferences, this tab will open. Now here in this window, click on the get extensions. Now click on this drop down, and from here install from a disk and select your file whatever you have downloaded and install it. And then after installation, go to the add-ons. Inside the add-ons you can search for the physics dropper, and here you can see this option. In my case it's already enabled. In your case it could be disabled, so you need to search for it and you can enable it. Once you enable it, you'll be seeing this physics drop option here in this right side. Now let's create an animation. It's quite simple. So let's suppose I want this ball to drop here over this platform. In that case, I simply select this circle and I go to the physics drop, and from here I can choose drop option. So whatever object is selected, these values will be allotted to that certain object. So I click on the drop, and here you can see now it have that physics value. It's dropping. So it's quite simple to do. You can play with these values. You can play these force values, earthquake. So whatever value you want to play with, you can do that. And if you're happy with this animation, you can click on this apply, and yeah, the physics will be applied on this certain element. That's how basically it works. Now for the platform, you can do one more thing. You can play with this platform shape like this. Like this you can make, and let me put this ball here, and once again you can add this drop value, and yeah, this will start working. So this is how it works. You can play around with these values, but this is the easiest way to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.